How to transfer CapCut video from PC to phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through transferring a CapCut video from your PC to your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the CapCut application on your computer. Now click on Sign In button on the left side. This is where you can log in using accounts like Facebook, Google or TikTok. So choose your preferred account to sign in. Now next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Manage Spaces. And this is where it will bring up a new windows. So simply click Create Space and you will notice a new name appearing. So simply click on that name and then select Create and Invite Members. Now inside the Manage Spaces section, click on three-dot menu and then go to Space Settings to adjust preferences. And ensure that your CapCut app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Now you can create multiple projects and save them within CapCut. And to upload a video, simply click on three dots on the video and then select Upload. And make sure to upload it to the space where you have created. Now in the space section, click Open Settings and this is where you can set a path for auto saving your videos. So after selecting a desired path, simply hit Save to apply the changes. And here once you are signed in to the same account on your phone, all your projects will be accessible there. And that's how you can transfer CapCut video from PC to phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.